So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover the photos and videos that you have uploaded in your Google Drive but by mistake you have deleted it. So let's learn how to recover it. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's dive into the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to your phone's Google Drive. Then here click on the three lines and here click on the trash. Now here you can see that two pictures I've deleted in the past. Simply click on it, long press it, and then click on the three dots. Here you can see the option of restore. Just click on the restore and here your files are restored back to your Google Drive. But remember, you can only restore your photos and videos which you have deleted in past 30 days. If you deleted before that, you won't be able to recover it. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.